So boom, you know it's the next episode of Lucian Accent, right? Today is a chicken and mushroom recipe. You know, something quick, something simple, something tasty, you know? Stay tuned. So now what we have, we just drop that in and just spread that around. Down here. Okay, you just follow the bone like this. Okay? So you have less waste to each other. And don't throw out all the fat. Okay? If you have rub that in. Okay. Wait for me. Hear that? Wait for me. So we're also gonna grill them. Okay, so just half. And just place it on the side. And then after we're gonna. And then we're gonna add some point of salt. It's enough. Should be okay. Okay, we're just gonna grill this. We're gonna start making our pasta. Okay, you can lower this. Okay, nice. That's what you're gonna hear. You're gonna hear that. Okay. Okay. A nice portion. Okay. Dice that up. Okay. And nice big chunks. Okay, you just have that right there. Oh, you thought it was pasta I was coming to show you there. No, you come and see pasta accent. We have to bless the food first, you know. So our verse is from Philippians chapter 4 verse 19, and it goes, "And my God will supply every need of yours according to his riches in glory in Christ Jesus." So you know, pray over your food. You think I go burn your pasta, go burn, I go taste good, you know. But you have to bless the food. You have to subscribe, like, share, tell your friends. Okay,